So I figured I'd try and record this session. We're at the top of what appears to be a range. The bias is up because if you look at the past couple days, just in an uptrend. So the bias is up, but oh, this could be like a wedge. This could be a lot of things. You know, uh, yeah, and that would make that look like a midline. So I mean, the plan is to look for a short right now. Um, but the bias is up, so it's like you got to be careful. You got to be very careful. You can see that midline. Um, so that's where I'm at right now. We're just going sideways. So I think what I want to do is I want to sell above a bull bar like this. But that's the risk is we could get another bull breakout. So that's what I believe I should be thinking about. It looks like we're going down, so I don't have to worry about it anyway right now. This looks like a channel. So here's the second entry long off the EMA. But look at that, it might close below the midline, so it's like a double bottom. This looks like a good entry. Let me see what a buy limit would be at, what the price would be. So the price would, or the risk would be 97.75. Nice. Oh, that's pretty good, and that's 99.75. So maybe if this, hmm, okay, so yeah, I'm gonna take this. If it's a trap, it's a trap. I don't think I should be looking for a swing. Yeah, especially we're in the middle of the channel, so I think just a scalp. What are we at? 99.50. Let's put it at 2 points. The problem right now is it's not breaking higher, which I don't like. Another good option here would have been to put my order one tick below that bear bar, and that would have just given me 4 ticks of risk, or about 4 ticks of risk, and I think that would have been the better entry. That would have saved me what 3 ticks of risk, and so you can see we're finding some resistance on the midline. So this is definitely an aggressive setup, whether it works or not. I probably should have went for 1 point. We'll see how this closes. Yeah, see, I feel like I should get out. I think I should get out. And see, I'm taking too long to get out, but and thinking about closing this position while I'm up, but can't decide. I want to see how this bar closes. If it's neutral, I got to get out. If it's slightly bullish, I think I'm gonna stick with it. Alright. So I didn't like how that was looking. I probably closed a little too early. You can see I should have probably waited for it to close, but I didn't like how this was going. So if you're going to be going against the rules, which this is a range day, so I should be looking for shorts up here, you got to take that scalp. You got to take that scalp, and I think, you know, you're also not at the bottom of the channel. You're at a midline. So you're not buying for value at that point because that's not a good value. So we'll wait a little more. And I think I'd like to sell above, like maybe above this bear doji. But then again, I mean, we could be forming a wedge bottom right here. You could look at it like that, but you could also look at this, and this failed break below, but then that would mean this is failing. I'll pause the video. I decided to put a buy limit order below this. That also looks like just about a 50% correction. Yep. So I'm gonna buy this. I'll go for the full swing. What's this? 97, 75, 95, 75. We'll risk 2 points real quick. And if this bar closes, I don't know. We'll have to see. If it's a doji, we might want to sit. Okay, so it closed bearish. Looking for support right here. Doesn't look like we're going to get it. Yeah, this is a strong move down, it looks like, but we'll see. Okay, so we're stopped out. So let me see how much I'm down right now. So my account is saying I'm down $7.50, but I'm pretty sure it's like $15. I don't know why it's saying $7.50. So I think a bull signal bar here could be considered. But you can, I mean, is that wrong? Because this is a range day. I just went against the range, even though, you know, I was talking about, see, this is low risk if this closes bullish. I was talking about how I should get short, but this looks good for low risk. Might have missed it. Let's see. Whoops. All right, let's see if we can get in this. Probably not. There it goes. So we're late. on this move, missed it. Um, Maybe if we have like a really crazy buy climax here, I'll look for a sell. Think I might try and get in on this long again. If it ticks below this bar, if this bar forms as a bear bar and it ticks below, what's our risk? So yeah, I can't go up here because I think that's more risk than I'm comfortable with. So I got to keep my stop right here. We'll see if I get it, but I'm thinking this is a bounce off the channel. All right, so we got filled. Let me put it right here. You know, I don't know. New highs is how you're supposed to take profits when you're trading a channel. So I'll put it here, but I'm just thinking, like a 3 point move because we're in a range overall. A 3 point move might have to be satisfying enough for me. Especially, I mean, look at all these bear swings. They're pretty, so I can always buy more later. That's what I've been trying to tell myself when I'm like too afraid to take profits. The thing is, this is a really good buy setup, and it might fail, but it looks really good. And so let's see if you go one tick above that. I think I'll put my stop at 3.5 points because I feel like this will get a scalp. I mean, I kind of think it would get two, but let's just take profits if we get them and consider buying lower because this thing could flip flop 100 times if you look. I mean, it's been flip flopping. And we got it. So a nice little 3.5 point move. I only got a minute and a half, so I can't really review the trades. I'll stop this video here and review my trades.